first step to create an aircraft price list in Leon will be going to the Sales module and choosing the Fees section. In this section, we can create aircraft fees and airport fees. First, let's add a price list name and choose a currency. On the left side, we have a list of predefined fees that can be picked from by clicking the plus icon. If you cannot find an appropriate fee, try to look for it through the search bar. After choosing all the fees that you want, save the price list by clicking Save. To choose our newly created price list, go to the Admin panel and then choose the Fleet section, in which we can edit the plain data. Now go to the Edit Aircraft section and select the Sales tab. In the Pricing section, you can choose the newly created price list.